Well, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on that link. My name is Nick with NorCal Rod and Reel. And today it is the 4th of July, America's birthday. And we're gonna go out there and try to get on some fish before the day gets started and we start doing all the family stuff. We're gonna go ahead and take the kayak out and go to a small pond that's local in the area and just try to catch some fish, just have some fun, enjoy the holiday, relax a little bit. There's nothing more American or more better than going out to go catch some fishies. Let's go ahead, let's get the kayak up on the car and let's get out in the water. Well, we made it out to the pond. I've only fished from the bank here. Still have not got a fish from here. So I'm hopeful that getting on the water is going to be all the difference. America's birthday, can't complain. Something's got to go right. The cool thing about this area too is there's another smaller pond down there. We're going to be fishing this bigger pond right here. Just got to find a place to enter and exit. Take some of this stuff off. Yeah, trying. Hi, how are you?
Well, I just spoke to a fisher of mine. He was going home and he did get some.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
Oh, good, okay.
Something big, but he gave me the name of the fish, but I don't know.
Oh, no.
I don't know.
Well, I'm hoping. Just say a little prayer for me.
So nice.
Hey, you too. Everything that we put on, we're gonna have to take off really quick. This is a kayak CrossFit. Not waste any more time. I'll bet you there's probably a way better place to hop in from, but it's okay. Whew. Oh yeah, getting it nice and muddy to start. This is the benefit of having these water shoes. We'll clean that off when we get back, but we're gonna wiggle off this point. Maybe. Hey, we're floating in the water. Now just gotta get past all this cheese. Oh yeah. Okay, well we made it, guys. Welcome to the little reservoir pond. Right now, because it would just be wrong of us to start with anything else, I've got, of course, a red, white, and blue frog that we're gonna go ahead and give a whirl for you, old Uncle Sam. See if we can actually get our first frog fish on the kayak as well. It's a little late, but it's okay. Determined to get one on this guy today. Let's go explore a little bit. Okay, we're gonna put this guy down, just start fishing a worm. first cast. Unless we get stuck on something. Oh, we did. He's just stuck in a lot of weeds. There we go. So much grass. Tiny little guy. Not too bad. Let's go ahead, let's let you go. Okay, well, we know that the worm worked. That didn't take long at all. We also know that the grass is super thick. Felt that I was like, there's no way that I'm stuck. He just buried himself. Okay, well, maybe the frog won't be the ticket today, but hopefully Uncle Sam understands. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep fishing this area over here. Got one. Tiny little guy. He wanted it though. Baby little guy. I think they're up here. They're looking to ambush around the shade, so working this whole muck line I think is gonna be the ticket today. Turning into a Zoom trickworm day. Another bite. Oh, that was a bite again. Yeah. Just do a quick little guy. Head back up to where we started, and hopefully, since the wind has switched directions, it'll just kind of carry us down. We're just gonna work this right along the grass line over here. Might try to fish the worm a little bit over here too before we actually full on switch, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, that is not good. We're gonna have to fix this. Too deep. Just totally ruined my handle. Well, first pond done. At least we caught 2 fish. It sucks that I ruined my handle though. Definitely you want to be putting the hooks in the little eyelets when I'm putting the rod away going forward. But we're not done yet. As I mentioned before, sorry, out of breath. It's a fun little climb carrying the kayak. There's another pond down the way, and we're gonna go see if we can go ahead and hop in there, maybe catch a fish or two in there. Let's keep going. Let's go ahead and let's get this guy over to pond number 2. No, I'm actually gonna try the other pond right now, but I caught 2 over here.
Did you? What'd you get?
Just a little bass. Yeah. You guys have a good day. Happy 4th. Well, hopefully this wasn't for nothing. This is kind of a little bit further walk than I expected. Hey, you too.
Thanks. Nice boat.
Thanks. Labor of love, guys. Labor of love. Weightless worm. At it again. Let's see if we can catch at least a fish through here. Yeah. The best one of the day. Nice. Not a bad guy. Good little chunk. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's let you go. He's gone. Okay, caught one in here. Let's keep trying our luck. I think, to be honest, this chartreuse and the worm is perfect. Well, so much for patriotic frog, and we'll save him for Veterans Day or Memorial Day or one of the other days. Oh, I saw it move. Well guys, made it back. We were out for probably a good 3 or 4 hours. Only ended up catching 3 fish, but first fish that we've ever caught here in both of these ponds, so pretty nice. And it was nice to hear too, the other guy who was in a float tube over there, I wish I would have gotten his name, nice guy. But I guess there's some big donkeys in these ponds, so I'll definitely be coming back. It's a little bit of a drive for me, but it's okay. Still a fun time anytime to get on the water. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, and like this video if you liked it. Leave a comment below if you want to see more kayaking videos. With that, I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy 4th of July.